Kenya. And so are we saying that we are
within this cooperatives department, we have, in each county, we have a lead cooperative officer and also other officers under, besides them. So that provides a platform for us to be able to reach each and everyone within the county. But also we are actively, within our mandate, constitutional mandate is one of the devolved functions is development regulation of cooperatives. So it is in our interest also to develop and also register new cooperatives as well. So whether it is border circles, which we're working on, the matatu circles, the markets, and the upcoming, what they're calling the worker cooperatives.
The worker cooperative.
Very important, putting people with similar skills together. Now, this makes it very easy because we are in touch and we are working with these people for us to be able, we have a platform and the numbers in a very structured way to be able to sensitize, following this training that we've had. The officers have been trained what is SHA, how do they ensure that how do they help people enroll, what is the message they're taking out there to demystify the aspects of the insurance fund, the understanding to provide the right message on the ground. So they're in touch with people on the ground, and not only in touch with people on the ground, but in organized circles. So it's easy to reach many residents of Nairobi with just one message from their circles or cooperatives.